Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve the question where 12 power m is equals to 18 and we have to find the value of 2 power 2m minus 1 over m minus 2. So let's start with today's video and understand the concept behind it. So 12 power m. So 12 I can write it as 2 times 2 times 3 and the whole power is m. And similarly 18 I can break it as 2 power 3, 2 times 3 times 3. Now we know the rule of exponent that a times b power m is equals to a power m and b power m. So I can write this as 2 power m times 2 power m times 3 power n is equals to 2 times 3 times 3. So here we know that one more property of exponent, that a power m times a power n is equals to a power n plus n. If the bases are same, then we can, and there is a multiplication sign in between, we can add the power. So 2 power m plus m is 2m times 3 power n is equals to 2 power, and here I can write 3 power 2. Now, if I take the similar terms here, so 2 power 2m divided by 2 is equals to 3 power 2 over 3 power m. Now, the property of exponent said that if a power m and divided by a power n, so we can write it as a power m minus n. Here, so I can write it as 2 power 2m minus 1 is equals to 3 power 2 minus m. Now we are focusing what we have to find. So we have to find 2 power 2m minus 1 over m minus 2. So what is missing? We have 2 power 2m minus 1, but we don't have divided by m minus 2. So we have to take it. So I can write this as, so 2 power 2m minus 1 whole power is 1 by m by 2, m minus 2. I can do this both the sides. So 3 power 2 minus m whole power is 1 over m minus 2. So 2 power 2m minus 1 over m minus 2 is equals to 3 power 2 minus m over m minus 2. So our value of 2 power m minus 2 is equals to m minus 1 over m by 2 is equals to 3 power 2 minus m over m minus 2. That's how you can solve this equation. I hope it's easier to solve and easy to understand. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.